Hey guys, Jim again from IAG and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be discussing our folding top options as well as full top removal using only the tools provided by Ford with this 21 Bronco. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, I wanted to draw attention to the rear window. Ford has designed this rear section so it can be raised for easy loading into the trunk space. Simply lift up on the two release handles underneath the window. The rear prop allows for hands-free loading into and out of the Bronco. Our first option is to use the top as a sunshade. Starting on the driver's side, separate the Velcro attaching the side window to the top. Reach up and detach the 3 buckle clips. Then pull the top of the window out from underneath the canvas. Standing at the front of the window, pull out the top and bottom edges simultaneously. Now move to the rear of the window and release the back edge. With all 3 sides released, you can now slide the window forward, releasing it from its track. Repeat this process for the passenger side. Here's a great view of the back of the side panels to give you a better view of the release mechanisms for all 4 sides. To remove the rear panel, we start by separating the Velcro and releasing the 4 remaining buckle clips. Pull the bottom corner of the panel towards the rear of the vehicle. Now pull down to release the upper portion of the panel. Repeat this process on the other side. Slide the back panel towards the driver's side until it's completely removed. Return the canvas top back to its original position. On those hot sunny days, this is a great option for cruising around, but now it's time to drop the top. Start by releasing the hook latches on both the driver and passenger side. By simply lifting up and folding the top back, you are now in what's most commonly known as position 1. This gives a clear view of the sky from all 5 seating positions. Ford provides you with 2 canvas straps, 1 per side, that are used to secure the top in this position. They can be found in the glove box of the vehicle and look something like this. Install these straps by looping around the exposed top framing and Velcroing the ends together. Be sure to avoid contact with the weather stripping to ensure proper function. Let's move on to position 2. On the driver's side, press down on the release handle. This allows you to fold the top all the way back, surrounding the trunk. Firmly press down until both sides have successfully clipped into place. This would also be a great time to mention that we offer a roll bar paint protection kit for you 4-door Bronco guys. For more information, click on the link below. If you're ready to remove the top entirely, we'll start by removing the 2 plastic panels located in the trunk area. You can remove these panels by pulling straight out using both hands. This will gain access to the 3 per side 13mm bolts. Locate the toolkit in the glove compartment and remove the 1/4-inch ratchet and 13mm socket. Loosen, then remove all 6 of the mounting hardware. With the help of a trusted friend, lift up and remove the entire soft top assembly. We're almost there. Put your tools away and pack the hardware into the storage pouch of your tool bag and return to the glove box. So there you have it. We're ready to have some fun in the sun. But stay tuned because in our next video, we're going to show you how to remove the doors on our 4-door Bronco. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.